Hi, excuse the background noise. I'm Nancy from Cooking Nancy's channel. I've added water and a block of collagen cube inside, which I've frozen up and cooked earlier on. You can have all kinds of vegetarian collagen if you like, or seafood. Now this one here is carrot, and what you see there like leaves, they are actually olive leaves, preserved olive leaves, and some fresh chili. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to add in my fresh kueh teow, which is a very nice soft rice noodles. Let it bring to a full boil. It's already pre-steamed. You can stir fry or put it in the soup. I've just cut them up from this block. Half a block is in here, which is enough to serve 2 persons. One whole packet is enough to serve 3 to 4, depending on what you're serving. So I'm going to drop in my vegetables, which is, here is the Chinese, what do you call this? This is the, oh dear, mustard. Yeah, mustard. And sprouts and fresh chives. And I have fresh lime to go with salmon, which I've grilled earlier on until it's nice and excuse me, chili. Excuse me, the chili from the soup. The fume followed me. This is salmon, which has been air fried until it's nice and crispy. Back here to the soup. Oh, it's the fume of the chili, super hot chili. This is a Thai chili, very hot. Oh my God! See, I put in so many. I put in about 4 or 5, and even that I've seeded and thrown away the seeds. Otherwise, it's even hotter still. And in my soup, I've added some low salt soya sauce, and it's also suitable for vegan. Right, this come to a boil, and I just throw in my veggie. It's coming up to a boil anyway, so I throw in all the veggies, and this will be last. Okay, and I can serve with my fish on top of the soup, or I can serve my fish separate on a little plate and enjoy yours. Very nice, very tasty. And I actually added in only half a teaspoon of vegetarian stock powder, which is optional because it's already very tasty with the soya sauce. And also the olive leaves is salty, you know, so it depends on what you're putting in here. Try to eat less salt. Don't eat too salty food. I'm Nancy, your cooking friend, give you as much recipe ideas as possible. If you like it spicy without the chili, all you have to do is add some pepper, and you can also end up with a touch of sesame oil if you like. But when you have fish, it's always nice to have lemon juice into your soup as well, where that is at the table, not in here. Okay, so I'm Nancy, your cooking friend, waiting this to come to a bigger boil. Right, you see it's coming up to a boil. If I cover this up, it'll be faster, but it's no fun. You can't see what's happening in my pot if I cover it up, so I'm giving it a longer time. Please bear with me. And Okay, coming to a boil, can you see? Yeah. Whole thing will take, the whole thing here from the beginning is already more than 5 minutes. Right, I'll just throw in all this and ready to serve. Ready to serve. Just blanching this, and I'm going to switch it off. Enjoy yours. Please subscribe to my cooking video and like it. I'm Nancy, your cooking friend. Bye for now.